Right now, as you watch this, a silent digital handshake is happening between your device and a server thousands of miles away. Most people believe their Instagram DMs are locked behind a vault of encryption and passwords, but they are wrong. There is a backdoor in the signaling protocol that allows a remote actor to mirror every incoming message in real time, without ever touching your phone, without your password, and without leaving a single trace in your login activity. This isn't a theory, it is a fundamental flaw in how mobile data is routed across global networks. If you think your private conversations are 100% secure, you are the exact person this video was made for. Before we expose how this digital shadow works, I have to ask, do you trust the person you're messaging right now? Type trust or no in the comments, because by the end of this video, your answer might change. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise or encourage anyone to use the information in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or engage in any illegal activities. Our goal is to highlight security vulnerabilities so you can protect your own digital footprint. If you have been compromised, are locked out of your accounts, or need professional-grade security, you can find links to contact certified experts in account recoveries, remote monitoring of your kids' devices for safety, and advanced privacy tools in the pinned comments and the video description below. So, to understand the remote DM exploit, you have to understand the session ghosting technique. Hackers don't attack the app, they actually go after the handshake. When your phone connects to the internet, it broadcasts a unique identifier. By utilizing a virtual SIM bridge, a remote actor can intercept the metadata packets before they are even decrypted by your Instagram app. It's kind of like intercepting a letter, steaming it open, reading it, and then resealing it before the mailman even reaches your front door. If this level of technical exposure is what you've been looking for, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Fastest Fix, and turn on notifications. We are the only channel brave enough to show you how the digital world really operates behind the scenes. The most terrifying part is that this zero install method bypasses two-factor authentication entirely. Because the intercept happens at the network layer, specifically through SS7 signaling vulnerabilities, the Instagram server believes it is talking to the original device. No new login alert is ever triggered. No suspicious activity is flagged. It is a perfect, invisible mirror of your private life. We are seeing a massive surge in these man-in-the-middle clones in 2026. This is why staying informed is your only real defense. Remember, if you need professional assistance securing your hardware or recovering a compromised account, check the certified expert links in the pinned comment and description. We've vetted the best in the business for your safety. Most people will tell you to just change your password, but as we've just seen, a password is useless when the network itself is the leak. You need to be looking at your APN settings and encrypted tunnel protocols. In our next breakdown, we're going to show you the specific settings that can block these signal interceptions for good. Don't leave your privacy to chance, stay sharp, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.